Hi again everyone. Okay, so brief recap. This is the Homelite Super XL automatic. It's just had a 5-minute chain sharpen. My friend has just said that nearly every raker was at the height of the teeth, so hopefully we'll just do a quick cut and I'll add this video along with the first video as well. Kill switch, compression. Well, it cuts very straight and feels really nice cutting with it. Really nice indeed. Hope that's useful for everybody, and what a difference it does just doing a 5-minute sharpen on a really old blade. Okay, thanks for watching.